compete with other kids and try to score more points than them. It's like very challenging. I like the math part about it, where you have to score points. That's like my favorite part about it.
Okay, you like that a lot?
The competition.
Okay. You said that it was challenging. Is it the challenge of just the competition, or also the questions?
It's the challenge of the questions and the competition. Because sometimes the problems you won't know them, and you'll just pick one at random, and it'll say you won't get it, so it gets frustrating.
Okay.
And it's a good frustrating.
Okay, it's a good frustrating. All right. Well, thank you. What I just basically want to know, first of all, is just what do you think of the game?
It's a good game. I mean, I would recommend it to people. It's something you can play at home, learn, it gets you going.
Yeah. And like with the math things that you do there, do you find them challenging or?
Sometimes there's some stuff in there that it gets you to learn it because you do it over and over. Sometimes it'll repeat a couple questions, and sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard.
Okay. The first thing is just, what do you think of the program? Do you like using it?
I think it's a really good game because it helps you with like subjects, not just math. They also have like science and reading on here, and it's really fun to play.
It's really fun to play. All right. And you're doing the math part right now. Do you find it challenging, or what do you think of it?
I guess it all depends what math problem it gives you. Some of them are hard, like you need the calculator. Some you can just do in your head.
Some you can just do in your head. All right. Well, thank you. Teacher was telling me that you're actually ranked pretty high.
I am number 5 in the game of play leaders, and I've only been playing for about 2 weeks.
Only 2 weeks, and you're number 5.
Yeah, but I usually get like 10,000 points a game in 20-minute games.
Uh-huh.
I get as much as 12,000.
Wow. And do you only play here, or do you play at home?
I play at home, but I don't play that much at home. Like, I'll play about 2 hours a day. That's it.
Okay. Oh, not bad. And what is it that you like about it?
Well, my favorite subject is math, so I like to do math, and I like video games. So it's a really good combination for me.
All right. Well, thank you. I was asking you, what do you think of the game?
I find it really fun because not only does it incorporate math, it also incorporates competition and a video game into it.
Okay.
Makes it a whole lot more fun than just regularly answering questions.
All right. And as far as with the math that you do you find the math challenging, or is it something that you learn more from?
At first it's challenging, but the more and more you do certain categories, the better you get at it.
Okay. Okay, very cool. So, the first question I wanted to ask you just overall, what do you think of DimensionU, the game?
It's really fun. I think that it also helps me with my basic math skills, and which makes it easier for me to do my homework and classwork. And I really think it's just a fun game and a way to learn more and at the same time have fun, because normally in class you're just stuck doing a lot of work. But when you're playing DimensionU, you can also play at home for after you're done with all your homework and you have nothing else to do. And so it's really fun like that.
All right. Same question for you. What do you think of DimensionU? How do you like it?
I think it's awesome because last year during math club, instead of doing group problems, we were playing DimensionU. It's actually really fun, even though it's about math. It's actually made me like math a lot more because we get to have fun, we get to play against each other, and she knows that I love beating people. So, yeah.
All right. And just you've been playing the game now for a little while. What do you think of the game?
It's like fun. It's not really like work. Like you answer questions and you score points for your team, or if you want to play by yourself. Like it's not really like work that you do in class. It's just like fun with your friends.
All right. So you enjoy it. With the questions that you are doing, do you find them challenging or hard, or is it more of a good review?
Like some of them are review, but most of them are kind of hard if you put it on the different levels, like I, H, or G. Yeah, but like my favorite type of thing is numbers and operations.
All right.